Here, friends, today we're going to draw a Switch.
Yeah, you're super excited, aren't you?
Yeah.
Because you love the Nintendo Switch.
Yeah.
We hope you are excited too and that you're going to follow along with us. And we're going to use something to draw with, right?
Yeah.
A marker?
Markers, some paper, and something to color with.
And be sure to stay until the very end because what time is it?
Challenge time.
Yeah, at the very end, we're going to give you a challenge. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
We're first going to draw a rectangle right in the middle of our paper. So we're going to draw a line down like this and a line across. There you go. And then across. Awesome. Now we're going to draw an upside down L to complete it. You know what? This line up here, I'm going to draw a little longer. There we go. And then I'm going to draw a line across and down to complete our rectangle shape. So you can do the same thing. Yep. And then down. Okay, now let's draw the screen on the inside. We're going to draw another rectangle that goes across and matches the first rectangle we drew. So it's just a little bit smaller. Yeah, keep going. And then across. What's on the sides of our screen?
The Joy-Cons.
The Joy-Cons. So we're going to come out straight out like this, curve around, and then curve back in down at the bottom. There you go. Down and then curve in. And then let's do the same thing over here. Curve around, down, and then back in. This one's a little bigger. Now we need to draw all of the buttons on the Joy-Cons. So let's first start up here and let's draw a big circle in the top left corner. Then we're going to draw the little buttons down here. So we're first going to draw two small buttons on top of each other. Yep. Then we're going to draw two buttons right next to each other. So there's four altogether. Now right below these, let's draw a square. So I'm going to draw a small little square shape right there. Now up here, we need to draw the minus sign. So we could just draw a little dash. Then let's draw all of the buttons on this side. Let's draw the big circle that's towards the bottom. Then we're going to repeat all of these four buttons, but on top of that big circle. So let's first draw two small buttons on top of each other. Yeah? And then let's draw two small buttons right next to each other. And then down here, we need to draw the home button. And then up here is a plus. All right, we're still missing the buttons on the side. So let's draw a little line that sticks out, one on top and one on the side. And then let's connect those two lines with a curve. Okay, let's do the same thing over here on this side. One line up and one line out the side. And then, yep, and then connect them. Then we're gonna draw a little button up here on the top. We're gonna draw two lines. Yeah. Well, I like how tall that button's gonna be. And then we can draw a line connecting them. That's a good size button. I like it, Austin. We finished drawing our Nintendo Switches. They look really cool. Now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color it.
Color it. Yeah, this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Austin, you did it. You finished coloring your Nintendo Switch. Now we also use the white colored pencil to write X, A, B, and Y on these buttons. Also a little home down here. And the arrow keys over here. Now we left the screen white because what time is it?
Challenge time.
We want to challenge you guys to finish your drawing by adding your favorite game to the screen. What's your favorite game?
Probably Splatoon or Arms.
Oh, you should do that. That would be really cool to draw the arm guys punching each other.
Yeah.
Then parents, when your child is all finished with their drawing, be sure to post it to Instagram and use two tags, @Art4Kids Hub and hashtag
AFKH Challenge.
Yeah, that one keeps all of the art together so it's easy to find. Then on Monday, we're gonna pick some lucky art friends to spotlight during that lesson. And those winners, we're gonna send them $20 to buy more art supplies. We can't wait to see all of your awesome art, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.
Bye.